Hey there! Thanks for tuning into my buyer's workshop. My name is Savannah Tessner and I'm a licensed Florida realtor servicing the greater Tampa area and parts of Central Florida. If you're looking to get in touch, schedule a consult at savannahtessner.com, linked up here.
Be strong.
Here's our checklist overview of what my buyer's workshop will cover. This video will be focused on common misconceptions. Now let's get started. Home buying is scary. Trusting your consultant is the key to a smooth transaction. I'm here to help you armor yourself with knowledge. Home buying is only scary when you have no idea what you're doing. After this workshop, you will be armored with more information and the confidence to make an educated purchasing decision. The people around me give great advice about real estate. Our inner circle has the best intentions and are looking out for our best interest, but they are not armored with enough information to be an outstanding real estate consultant. Even though some may own a few properties, they did not buy in the same market and their information is out of date. Negotiations are only about price. Here are some special weapons in your arsenal to use when negotiating that are not just about the price. Terms of sale, time frame for closing, any contingencies such as providing a leaseback to the seller after the close date, and financing type. A bigger house is always better. A bigger house may offer more space, but it also comes with higher costs and maintenance requirements. It's important to consider both the financial and lifestyle implications of a larger property before making a purchasing decision. I'm gonna get screwed over. Well, I'm here to tell you the contract protects you. 95% of the contract is written in the buyer's favor, since the seller already knows the fundamental elements of the property they are selling. We will go over all of the ways the contract protects you throughout the buying process to ensure you get the outcome you desire. I hope this video helped shed some light on some of the common misconceptions. As always, thanks for tuning in. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just have questions about real estate, I'm here to lend you a hand. Schedule a consult on my website, savannahtessner.com, linked here, and let's chat about your real estate goals and how I can help you achieve them.